Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a reveal and a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. This is their Moonstone Geode. It's a very, very pretty bath bomb. And hidden inside is a pendant. So if you go to their website, I don't think any of their current bath bombs as of today have anything hidden inside, but they're constantly switching up their bath bombs. So even by the time I ordered and then got the order, I went to go look at the fragrance notes and they were already sold out and removed from the website. So they do update very quickly. And because I don't know the bath bomb fragrance notes for this one, to me it smelled like grape soda. It smelled really good. But I'm not sure if that's what it was supposed to smell like, or maybe I just thought that because it was in a box with a bunch of other bath bombs and that's just what it smelled like to me. But it did smell very good. And as you can see, I thought it was going to be an all-white bath bomb, but now you can see blue, and then in a few minutes you can start to see green. So it was a little bit of color hidden inside of it. And it did fizz pretty quickly, dissolved quicker than a lot of their other bath bombs. And at the time I purchased this, there was 2 different geode bath bombs. I already posted the review and the demo for the other one, so make sure you check it out in case you're interested. But I love when stuff's hidden inside bath bombs. I just think it makes it so much more fun. And at this point, I could tell there wasn't much left to it. Since the pendant is heavy, once it dissolves, it will sink to the bottom. So I had to feel around a little bit to find it. It's protected and wrapped in foil. And I was excited to see that I got a turquoise colored one. It's actually my daughter's birthstone, and I've always loved turquoise, so I thought it was really pretty. It does have a loop at the top, so you can put it on a necklace if you want. And very, very cute. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.